Hey everyone, do you notice something different about me today? I'm wearing something that I don't normally have on. What is it? That's right, I have a hat on today. And what is under my hat? My head. Well, the hat is on my head, right? But what's under my hat? What's this stuff? That's right, my hair. Your hair is under your hat if you put a hat on. And the reason I have this hat on today is because we're going to talk about the letter H. Now there is no one in our class that's name starts with H, but H is a special letter for me because my last name starts with H. So when we sing the song for our letter, for a name, we're going to sing my name today, okay? But first, let's talk about how to make the letter H. So big H is kind of easy. Remember, we just need some straight lines. One tall straight line, another tall straight line, and then what do we need? Does it go up there to make an H? No, that looks like a doorway. How about down here? Would that be an H? No, it looks like, actually it looks a little like the letter U, or a hole or a box. Where would I put this if I wanted to make the letter H? Right there in the middle. There's my big letter H. Now let's make little letter H. Remember, some big letters and little letters look alike. Do big H and little h look alike? Not really. So for little h, we need a straight line and a bump. Little h, straight line and a bump. Okay, you know I like to try to make them, right? Let's see if I can do it. Big H, one straight line, two straight lines, and a cross. That's pretty easy. But little h, I think any letter with curves are a little hard to do, but we can try. So let's make a straight line down, and then a bump. There we go. What happens if I make it a shorter line? Look, what letter is that? Yeah, that's the letter N. But letter H has a taller line like that. So big H and little h. Now, I was looking around for things that I could use to make the letter H, and I found these blocks. So I snap them together like that. And if I put them together like that, that will not be an H. What do I need in the middle? That's right, I need the line across the middle. Here's my H. So I want you to look around your house and see what you can use to make the letter H. Maybe sticks, or I don't know, maybe you can make it out of yarn or Play-Doh. I want you to try to build the letter H today. And if you do build one, can you send me a picture? You know, I love getting pictures. Now let's see what else I have here. Oh, here's something that starts with H. Do you know what this is? What is this? Not an airplane. It goes straight up like this, and then it goes like this. That's right, it's a helicopter. Have you ever seen a helicopter? You can usually hear a helicopter before you see them because their propeller makes noise. So sometimes if I hear a helicopter, then I look up in the sky and say, there it is. There's a helicopter, starts with H. I have something else that starts with H here. Oh, what's this? Maybe with my hat on, I look like I'm going to work today. With my hammer. You hammer nails, you have to be careful. This is a real hammer. It's very heavy. Oh, heavy starts with H. Heavy. When you make the H sound, it's almost like you're out of breath. Hammer. Helicopter, right? Oh, I have something else that starts with H. My boy's favorite thing to play with. If you look very closely, can you see an H on there? H isn't for car, it's a type of car. It's a Hot Wheel. Hot starts with H, and so does Hot Wheel. Hot Wheel. Okay, so now we're gonna sing my song, right? Because we don't have anybody in our class that starts with the letter H, but Harrigan starts with H, so I'm gonna write my name. Starts with an H. A-R-R-I-G-A-N. Wow, that's a long name. How many letters does my name have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's the number we've been talking about. I have 8 letters in my last name. Can you sing with me? H is for Harrigan, that's good enough for me. H is for Harrigan, that's good enough for me. H is for Harrigan, that's good enough for me. Oh, Harrigan, Harrigan, Harrigan starts with H. Thanks for helping me sing that. And you know, whenever we talk about a letter, it makes me very hungry. Can you say that with me? Hungry. It starts with the letter H, and I have something that I can eat. Maybe not for breakfast, but maybe later. What are these? Hot dogs. Maybe I'll have a hot dog later for dinner. Can you say hot dog? Hey, here's a hot dog. There's the hot dog. I don't put all that stuff on it. I like mine with just a little bit of mustard. So maybe later, not for breakfast, I will have a hot dog, or maybe I'll have a hamburger. I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll have one of each.